Welcome to Sirius Controls Engineering and Operations Center located in Edmonton, Alberta. This 56,294 square foot facility is home to 60 employees. Let's take a look inside. We are starting at the reception area where we proudly display our patents and environmental achievements. Then as we go past the offices, we enter the Hall of Fame, where you'll see customer references, accolades, and pictures that we've collected over the years. These are spread throughout the facility. At the heart of our Edmonton facility is our production cells. There are 18 cells dedicated to the assembly and manufacture of our chemical injection solutions. Sirius Controls adopted lean manufacturing as a core pillar of our business. Our people have learned to identify inefficiency and waste and use lean tools to eliminate it from all our processes. Other core pillars include quality, safety, and strong engineering. The pump cell, like all cells, is designed in a lean fashion, utilizing Kanban used to visualize inventory on hand. 5S, keeping the cell clean, organized, and efficient. Supermarket speeds up production, ensuring sub-assemblies are in place and quality. Nearly 1,000 quality checks are performed on every system. All manufacturing procedures are close to the technician, which helps ensure both a quality product and a speedy apprenticeship program. Let's move over to the fusion motor cell. Like the other cells, one-piece flow is implemented in a way so production can flow continuously, which reduces downtime and increases production. The parts are assembled from the left, and then it travels to the right. The motor assembly cell starts off with the rotor assembly, pressing in the bearings and putting that assembly together with the press. A bit of Loctite is applied to the threads, and the rotor is assembled onto the assembly. Using a jig to hold everything in place, everything is torqued down and placed on a conveyor that travels down to the next cell. As part of our lean method, we implement Kanban, which improves efficiency and continuous flow of production. The conveyor eliminated motion, which is wasted time. Once the techs are ready, we take the motors off the conveyor belt and start soldering electronic boards, including the Hall effects sensor. After that, it is placed on another conveyor belt where it's ready to be tested, and a rotor is placed on the motor. If the motor passes all tests, it moves to another conveyor and is sent down the production line. Moving on to our electronics lab is where we assemble the Fusion 2 controllers. Sirius orders all of the individual electronic components and ships them to a PCB robotic plant where the motherboard is populated and sent back to Sirius after a rigorous quality control inspection. Here in the lab, the electronic boards are assembled into the Fusion 2 frame along with the LCD screen and other parts. Once all the quality control documentation is filled out, we now place the controller in a supermarket, where it is readily available. Here we have our engineering center comprised of this lab, an electronics lab, offices, and test area. Research is performed here along with product testing, including simulating the world's harshest environments using a scientific oven and cold chamber. Amongst all these, and a vital part of the business success, is the dedicated and skilled Edmonton Sirius team. We're proud to share with you our facility and manufacturing process. Thank you for visiting Sirius Controls Edmonton Engineering and Operations Center.